no. Come on out, come on out, come on. This is a big one. Well, good afternoon, everybody and or anybody. If you can't hear me, it's because it's very windy today. It's cold, windy, it's rough. Still a high tidal coefficient, so the water is really rough. I'm still gonna try to get some sheepshead today. The bait shop still has fiddler crabs, so I picked up a whole bunch. I'm gonna stay out for as long as I can, within reason. It's about 3.5 hours until low tide. Going to see if I can make it happen. It's 48 degrees right now, water's about 56. So it's still a little bit chilly, but they were biting just fine the other day, so let's see if we can get some more. I'm going back to the exact same spot. I'm on Shem Creek. Gonna start out with the Carolina rig, maybe some jigs, maybe freelining when the current gets really low towards low tide. We'll see what happens. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoy the video and you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, let's get after it. Hopefully we get some good ones. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm pulling up to the first dock where I had luck the other day. And caught 3 off this dock. Ooh, yeah, this is a big one to start out. All right, so I'm running a small Carolina rig meant for sheepshead, about 6, maybe 7 or 8 inches of 20-pound leader, loop knot attached to a 1/0 J-hook, 1/2 ounce egg sinker, and you want that drag pretty tight because you want to be able to prevent them from wrapping you up since you're starting out so close to the pilings. But anyway, let's just start dropping and see if we can find some fish quickly. Yep, there's one there. It's a decent one. Come on out. Yeah, it's a solid first fish, let me tell you. That did not take long. Second drop. First fish of the day is a solid keeper. Nice pretty fish, probably 14.5 inches. Good keeper size. But I'm not keeping any today, so he gets to go back. It's a good one. These fish are really biting today. Nice little, probably 13 incher or so, maybe 12. Small guy, but what would he be? A Florida keeper, I believe. I think in Florida they just have to be 12. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I'm not in Florida anyway. Okay, here they go. Little guy, I think. Yeah. See ya. All right, so I've never fished these pilings before, but they look good. It looks pretty deep too. And I've never seen someone else fish them. They're covered in stuff. I don't know why. Yeah, wow, they're really deep. Oh, there's one there. Oh, no. This is big. This is big. Oh, he's caught in something. Come on out. Yes. Oh, he's not like huge, but he's a heavy fish. Wow. I think I got him under the chin, which is why he felt even heavier. All right, well, just caught my first one off of this new dock, and he's the biggest one I've caught in a while. Probably 17, 18. I managed to get him under the chin, which is interesting. So he fought even harder, so I thought he might have been like a 20 or something. But got bit a few times in a row down there. There might be some big ones. Certainly there's probably more. No, he's probably 16, 17. He felt a lot bigger at the time, but still a nice healthy fish. Let's let him go and see if we can find any more. Okay, well, let's find out if there's anyone else on that piling. Oh, that was the worst hook set I've gotten in a long time. Did not feel big, but still, it's a missed fish. What I keep doing is my line will get caught off of the reel, or the guide, or the whatever it's called, the roller. Oh wow, it's a good one too. Talk about your instant bite. Oh, come on, yes. Wow, okay. Anyway, didn't mess up the hooks at that time. Wow, well, I am really on them today. I still haven't gotten to the docks I really wanted to try out. But this is probably my fourth or so keeper so far. Been out here for maybe an hour and a half. It's been productive so far. This is the type of sheepshead fishing I've been missing. I need to keep these fiddler crabs around. Wow. Alright, let's let them go. Alright, well, it is officially raining now. And I've just fed 3 crabs to the same sheepshead. So now it's personal. Not very big, but probably a keeper. All right, little guy. No, he's not even a keeper. He's probably like 11, 12 inches. See ya. It's a pretty good one. Ooh, it's pulling a little bit of drag. Oh, sweet. Been a few minutes since my last fish. Maybe a little 12, 13 incher. Nothing huge. Alright. There he goes. Come on out, come on out, come on. This is a big one. He's really rubbing up in there too. Come on, come on. He's straight through those pilings. Come on. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh. Come on, easy, easy. Oh, oh, mama. That's one to end on right there. Sweet. Well, this was the kind of fish I was waiting for today. Look at that guy. That is a gorgeous fish, probably 18 and a half inches. Yeah, I don't know. I got very lucky to have gotten him out. He went straight through those pilings. Very surprised to have landed him. I'm gonna get a measurement just to see, but he's going back, of course. 17 and a half inch sheepshead, biggest one of the day. Beautiful fish. And yeah, he's going back. Let's get a good release shot on him. Whew, alrighty, well, I am thoroughly frozen and wet at this point because it's raining. I'm gonna get out of here as quickly as I can. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really got to test my new sheepshead rod today with that last fish that took me straight through the pilings. Handled it very well. I'm surprised that I landed it. I got pretty lucky that he came through rather than wrapping around, but it doesn't matter, same result. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing it if you enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and remember to make some time for fishing. Bye.